All right, so over the last couple of years, we've been doing a lot of confined space training, locally and overseas. And what we realized the need was that no one really has a confined space that we can train in that's safe. We can't go to a plant and just shut down a section of the plant and do training and take students onto a plant or into a factory. And because of that need and because of the amount of training we've been doing, we decided that it would have been beneficial to build an asset, which is a confined space and technical rescue trailer. And the trailer gives us the ability to bring the entire confined space training setup to the client's site. So we come to their site, we set up within 15 or 20 minutes, and this trailer gives us the ability to do lockout, tag out, to do side entry, top entry, rope work, BA work, ventilation, gas testing. It pretty much covers most of the requirements of the unit standards that we train to, and it allows us to really assess students and see their aptitude for a confined space. And we're basically upskilling the guys. We're taking them through different types of drills, specifically BA work, airline work, rescue, packaging patients, vertical hauling, horizontal systems, using rope access equipment to lift and lower a casualty in a stretcher. The course has a theory component and a practical component. We normally start the course with a theory component, making sure that the students have a very good idea of the risks, how to manage the risks, and just the basic principles of confined space entry and confined space rescue. Once we've gone through the theory, we then go into the practical component, and the practical component covers a multitude of things. We've purpose-built a confined space and technical rescue training prop that includes all the equipment that anybody could require to do confined space entry or rescue. And it allows us to move around the Western Cape and around the country to be able to train on any client sites.